Today's video is about the advice that people have been getting for years and years about niche photography, so to specialize in a particular type of photography. Well, in my opinion, that advice is nonsense, and stick around to see why. Also, at the end of the video, I'll show you some examples of photographs that I've taken that have sold and earned me some money, and they're not all from the same genre of photography. Okay, so for years and years, photographers have been told, become the best photographer you can in a specific niche. Stick with that niche and be the best in that niche in your area and you'll be successful. Well, I disagree. And the reason I disagree is because what happens when the work in that niche dries up? We've seen what happened in 2019, 2020 when COVID came along and portrait photographers and wedding photographers had no work. So what are the advantages of diversifying? What are the advantages of doing other types of photography, adding that extra string to your bow? Number one, you'll increase your skills, you'll become a better photographer. Number two, you'll have multiple income streams. Number three, your business will be much more resilient, because when work in one area dries up, work in the other area can take over and help you get through the rest of the year. Another reason to diversify is because if you're doing the same type of photography, if you're doing only weddings, there is a danger of becoming stale and doing the same old thing with different couples but the same poses, the same lighting setups, same with portraiture. If you've got the skills to do weddings, or if you've got the skills to do portraiture, then you understand lighting, you understand posing. If you're an extremely good landscape photographer, you understand light, you understand composition. Why can't you use those skills in other areas of photography and become successful? So if you're a portrait photographer and you understand lighting, why can't you do food photography? Why can't you do flat lay photography? When you've done these types of photography and you've become competent, you've practiced, you understand the lighting, you understand the composition, you understand the technical stuff, then it's you as an artist that will define you from the other photographers. And by diversifying, your business will be much more resilient. So give it a try. Don't be afraid to put your work out there. Let people know that what you're doing. If you're a landscape photographer, try your hand at portrait photography. You don't necessarily need to jump into weddings right away. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop up some of the photographs that I've taken in the past that have earned me money, and they're not all from the same genre. I have a successful portrait business, but I've done other types of photography. Here are some examples. Okay, now that you've seen some of these examples of the stuff that I've done, I'm sure you could do just as well. I'm sure you can produce the same or better quality than I can. Given time and practice, we can all get to a certain level. It's about earning money, it's about being successful, it's about doing what we enjoy doing day in, day out, and not becoming stale. So if you've enjoyed this video, please take a look at some of my other videos. If you like the videos that I've done, please subscribe. Thanks very much, and bye bye.